Hey everybody, in this video, I want to talk about marketing and stuff. So I want to go back to our definition of marketing, or at least my definition of marketing, and hopefully you have come up with your own definition also as you've been working on your marketing plan paper and then also doing all those readings in our textbook. So you all there's no, as of right now, there's no marketing major at Athens State. And so for many of you, you're taking this class because it's part of your one of the classes you have to take as a college of business major. Or maybe for some of you, you're taking it because you are minoring in marketing, and then for others, maybe you're just doing it for fun. Maybe you need a an elective. So regardless of what your reasons are, I hope that you have come to appreciate that marketing is not just a thing by itself, right? It's a part of business. It's an essential part of business, regardless of what your position is, what your career path is, or what you want to do when you graduate. Actually, Professor, there is now a Bachelor of Science in Marketing and Analytics at Athens State University starting spring 2024. So, anyway, carry on. Marketing is a function that will have to be a part of whatever that is. So, even at the individual level, as a student, you are the product. So, it's up to you to market yourself so that you can communicate your value to your target audience. So in that case, maybe your target audience would be the organizations that you want to work for. So how do you go about doing that? And that's where the marketing plan comes in. And I want to talk about marketing plans in a different video. So I want to go back to this whole concept of marketing and how it's an important part of any business. And that's why I mentioned all that stuff about, oh, you're taking this as a college of business major or whatever. But the reason for that is it's an important part of business. All right, so I feel like I'm just repeating myself. So let me get to my definition of marketing. Okay, marketing is the process of creating and delivering value to meet the needs of a target market. It involves understanding the needs and wants of your target market, developing products or services that meet those needs, and communicating the value of your products or services to your target market. So I feel like I've already covered all that, right? But that's like a wide range of possibilities when it comes to a career in marketing. Let's see. Creating and delivering value, that could be like you could be in research and development or marketing research where you work with production to create a product that would be of value. So just think about all the different products that come out from your favorite brands. So you can be a part of that marketing effort. There's the understanding the needs and wants of your target market. Well, that's market research. I don't know if you've ever received a survey, for example, or received a phone call from a marketing company wanting to learn your thoughts, or maybe you've been part of a focus group where you talk about your thoughts about a product, or maybe you've taken advantage of a service, or you bought a product and the company gave you like some kind of survey to complete. So all of that is part of marketing research, because as a marketer, we want to understand the needs and wants of our target market. And then there's the developing. So yeah, I already talked about how you can be part of research and development. And then there's the communicating the value of your product. So that's where we get into promotion, right? Like you create all those awesome ads, whether that's going to be on social media, or maybe you're going to create videos that go on YouTube or TikTok or whatever, or maybe even on television, or perhaps if it's appropriate, you might have a magazine ad, newspaper ad, radio ad, and so on. So all of that is part of marketing. And then I already kind of touched on this, so let me repeat this part. Marketing is essential for any business that wants to succeed. By understanding your target market and developing products or services that meet their needs, you can create a sustainable business that will thrive in the long run. So, again, there's that whole idea that marketing is an important function no matter what position you're in. So, if you understand what marketers do, then you are already on your way to just really understanding what could help your organization succeed. And as I put on here, in the long run, because it's all about like creating something that meets your target audience's needs. It's not about you as a marketer or the company creating something and then you push it to your customers. That's not how it works anymore. Maybe that worked many decades ago, but now it's like if you create something that nobody wants, that's just not the way you do it. You don't create it and then expect to create some kind of demand for it. We already want to anticipate what our customers want, and we create that. All right, so what's the next thing? So all the different possibilities in marketing. So let me just put all these here. I've already mentioned this, but I'll repeat it again. So marketing, you could get into market research, product development, pricing. So if you think about marketing, it's also about, okay, what's the best way to communicate our value? In many ways, pricing is a strategy, because if you make it too cheap, then do you want to be the cheap company in the market, or do you want to exhibit that luxurious idea to where, yeah, you're the luxury brand, so maybe you price it up? Or is it better to price something at $100, or does $99.99 sound better? So things like that, different pricing strategies. And then promotion, that's just communicating value to your audience, and even just figuring out where is your audience, how are they going to hear or learn about your product. Like, let's say millennials or Gen Z, are you all going to be picking up a newspaper to learn about the latest product? I don't know, probably not, right? So those kind of things to consider, like promotional stuff. Where do you put your marketing efforts to reach your audience? And then distribution is just making sure that whatever your company has created is available to your customers when they want it. All right, so 2 more thoughts and then I'll be done with this video. Let me talk about the business plan. So any organization needs to have an idea of what it is that they do and how they want to get there. And so there's your business plan. It's a written description of your business's future, document that tells what you plan to do and how you plan to do it. And sometimes part of a business plan includes a marketing plan, and that's what you all have been working on all semester, or depending on when you're watching this video, will work on throughout the whole semester. So let me put a marketing plan definition here. Marketing plan is a document that outlines the strategies you will use to reach your target market and achieve your business goals. It should include your target market, your positioning, your marketing mix, and your budget, and then also other stuff that I threw in there as divided into several different assignments. But going back to my point, a marketing plan is part of a business plan. So the marketing plan is just like I said there, it's all the different strategies that you're going to use. So just think about the marketing plan that you're working on, or have been working on, or will work on. It's going to contain all the different things to have a successful marketing campaign. And speaking of marketing plan, I want to save that for another video. So that's all I got for this video.